Now see question number 4. On a certain day, the height of 150 flowers plant grow by children at a local school are measured. Corrected to nearest centimeter. These heights are summarized in the following table. Draw the cumulative frequency graph to illustrate the data. Now, I have to draw the cumulative frequency graph. Now, to draw the cumulative frequency graph, I need upper bound. Upper bound means for the class interval, what is the upper limit? Now here, if you see, I have a class of 10 to 19 and then 20 to 29. There is a gap of 1. Whenever we are doing problem related with cumulative frequency, first thing is that there should not be any gap, right? Because height of 19.5 is also possible, 19.9 is also possible. So where I will include that 19.5. Therefore, we have to first get rid of this gap. Now how we'll do that? For that, what we do, we first figure out what is the difference. Now here the difference is of 1. Then we take half of that and we add to this upper value, so it becomes 19.5, and subtract the same from the lower value. So my class width, instead of 10 to 19, it become 9.5 to 19.5. Now for cumulative frequency graph, what I need upper bound. Now I am doing it here, but if possible you can draw this upper bound column separately. So my upper bound, if you see from this, it is 19.5 here, 29.5, then 39.5, 49.5. Wait, I'm sorry. This is 39.5 is okay, perfect. Then this is 44.5. This is 49.5. This is 54.5. And this last one is 59.5. And yes, we need to find out cumulative frequency. Now for cumulative frequency, this first value will remain 10. Then I will add this 18 to 10, so it will become 28. Then 28 plus 32, so 8 plus 2 it is 0, and then 3 plus 3 it is 6, 60. Then this will become 102, 60 plus 42. Then this will become 130. This will be 144, and last it will become 150. Okay, I have to now draw the cumulative frequency graph. So along x-axis I will represent height, and along y-axis it will be cumulative frequency. So your highest cumulative frequency is 150 and the lowest cumulative frequency is 10. So if I demarcate like 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 will be here, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then 100, 110, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so there are enough vertical lines. So I will start with 10, and with the gap of 10 I will write. Now along x-axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values, and here horizontally if I see, so if I consider this as 1, 2, then this will be 3, then this will be 4, 5, 6. Okay, I need 7, so I can start with this only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, with the gap of say, now first value is 19.5. okay, I can start from 19.5. so let us begin from here, and let us name this as 19.5. okay, on the safer side, what we can do, we can use one kink symbol to indicate that okay, some values which are not required are omitted. So I'm starting from 19.5, and this is your x-axis, horizontal axis, Then for each y point, okay, this will become 19 plus 5 is 19 plus 5 is 24, 24.5, and then plus 5 it is 29.5. So this is 29.5. Then this is 39.5. Then this value is 49.5. This value is 59.5. This value is 69.5. Okay, perfect, fine. And this vertically along this vertical line, this is your 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Here it is 80. Then this is 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 150. Okay, so vertically fine, these are okay. Now for 19.5, the value is 10. So for 19.5, the value is 10. So 1 point I will begin from here. Then 28. So 29.5, it is 28. So 28 is somewhere here. 28. Then 60 for 39.5. 39.5, it is 60. Then 44.5, it is 102. 44.5, it is 102. So 102 is this point, 102. Then 130, 49.5, it is 130. And then 54.5, it is 144. 54.5 will be here. 54.5. So for 54.5, it is 144. So 140. 30 after 39, it is 44.5. Okay, this is here 44.5. Okay, I have already marked it. Now 54.5, for 54.5, it is 144. So 140 to 144 is this point, and last for 59.5, it is 150. So your 150 is somewhere here, this point. Okay, so these are your points. Now you have to join them with a smooth curve. So from here I will start. I will go like this, and from here it will continue it smoothly. It will go like this, and then from here it is going like this, like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so use your graph to estimate the 30th percentile of the height. Now for 30th percentile, now in terms of percentage, it's 30th percentile. So 30 divided by 100 times your total frequency, which is 150. If I see this value is 0.3 times 150, this value is 45. So what we do on the frequency line, we see where is 45. So this is 40, 42, 44, 45. So somewhere here This is 45. I will draw one horizontal line, and then from here I will draw one vertical line. So it is coming something like this, and therefore this value, now this is 29.4. now each value represent 1, so 29, 39, 49, 59, 60, 29, then 30.5, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 39, 35, this could be 36. So 36, 30th percentile, I will say that 30th percentile is equal to, it is equal to 36. So you just mark it as 36. Now calculate the estimate for mean and standard deviation. Now to calculate mean and standard deviation, what we should do, we should first find out what is the midpoint. Okay, so let us draw midpoint. Now midpoint column, if I see here, you will see that the first value is from 10 to 19. Now 10 to 19, the mid value, if you want to find, what you do, you add 10 and 19 and then divide the whole by 2, so 14.5. so 14.5, this midpoint is what, 14.5. second value, in the same way, second value is your mid value of 20 and 29. So 20 plus 29 divided by 2, it is 24.5. Then the next value, it is 30 plus 39 divided by 2, it's a 34.5. so you can see that they are in sequence, 34.5. then after 34, from 40 to 44, the mid value is what, 42. so next is 42. the next value is 45 to 49, it's a 47. so then it's 47. then after 47, we have 50 to 54, so that is 52. next is 52, and the last one is 55.55 plus 59 divided by 2 is 57. the last one is what, it is 57. okay, now these are the mid points, and corresponding frequency, if I see, then we will use these frequencies only, 10, 18, 32. so this is 10, 18, 32, 42, 28, 14, 42, 28, 14, and the last one is 6. Last one is 6. So these are their respective frequencies. Now I have to find out mean. So for mean, we know that mean is your summation of x into f divided by your summation of f. So summation of x into f is 14.5 times 10 plus 24.5 times 18 plus 34.5 into 32 plus 42 times 42 plus 47 times 28 plus 52 times 14 plus 57 times 6, and this whole divide by 10 plus 18 plus 32 plus 42 plus 28 plus 14 plus 6. Okay, but if you see that the sum of these values is 150. Okay, so if you want, you can directly write 150. Now let us calculate it. So it's a 14.5 times 10 plus 24.5 times 18 plus 34.5 times 32 plus 42 times 42 plus 47 times 28 plus 52 times 14. Okay, so the result I get is 5498. 5498 divided by, denominator is 10 plus 18 plus 32. Okay, so this, I said that it is 150. Your 5498 divided by 150. So the result is 36.65. Let us once again calculate. Okay, so you should cross verify that whatever you are doing is perfect. 14.5 times 10. Sometimes what happens, we omit some detail. 24.5 times 18 plus 34.5 times 32 plus 42 times 42 plus 47 times 28 plus 52 times 14 plus 57 times 6. Okay, so now this time I am getting some different answer. The result which I am getting is 5840. 5840. So 5840 divided by 150. So 5840 divided by 150 will give you 38.9. It will give you 38.9. 38.93 you can say, but in three significant figure this is okay. Okay, so basically it is 38.9333 and so on. So in three significant figure, on the next line I will write this is equal to 38.9, three significant figure. Okay, this is mean. Now for standard deviation, I will first find out summation of your x square, into f. Okay, so summation of x square, actually your variance, I will say directly, let us find out variance. So I will say that variance, which is indicated by sigma square, variance is equals to, it is summation of x square f divided by your summation of frequency minus, now you know your mean, so you can say that mean square. Okay, this mean we represent with symbol mu. This is your variance. So here this is equals to x square. So x square is now on calculator itself I'm doing. So 14.5 square times 10 plus 24.5 square times 18 plus 34.5 square times 32 plus 42 times 42 square times 42 plus 47 square times 28 plus 52 square times 14 plus 57 square times 6. So the result is 244,285. So it is 244,285 divided by your total frequency is 150 and minus now this mean is 38.9. Better what I do instead of taking this average value, what I do, I will say that minus here I will take the exact value which is 5840 divided by 150 the whole square. This is your mean. So here your variance, now this result I will divide it with 150 minus, I will say that 5840 divided by 150 the whole square. So the variance I get 112.76. This is your variance and therefore your standard deviation which is sigma is square root of 112.76, which is equals to square root of your answer. So this is 10.618. So I can say that 10.62, or in three significant figures it is 10.6. Okay, so here good question. Here first you have to draw the cumulative frequency graph. Then in second part we are asked to find a 30th percentile. So 30th percentile is nothing but on the 30th percent line horizontally what value I'm getting here. So this is for height. So better 30th percentile instead of 36, better you say that it is 36 centimeter. Now that centimeter you can write like in this bracket. Okay, and now next you have to find out mean. So again this mean is height, so three significant you are writing, but here you write centimeter in bracket. Better I will write centimeter. So let us erase it and say 38.9 centimeter, and here 3 SF. And your standard deviation also, this is centimeter, so 10.6 centimeter, and the result is in three significant figure. Done.